Hi guys, welcome back to VIPS TV. Today we are going to study have to. We have the following structure: have to plus verb infinitive and don't have to plus verb infinitive. Have to is used for the obligation. It means that you can't choose not to do. And don't have to means that there is no obligation. You are not required to do something if you don't want to. Now let's get started. I have to do my homework. I have to do my homework. You have to drive carefully. You have to drive carefully. We have to stop at the red light. We have to stop at the red light. You have to be honest with your boss. You have to be honest with your boss. You have to renew your passport. You have to renew your passport. You have to hold the luggage carefully. You have to hold the luggage carefully. My sons have to wear uniforms to school. My sons have to wear uniforms to school. I have to finish it on Friday. I have to finish it on Friday. We have to balance work and family. We have to balance work and family. You have to see the doctor. You have to see the doctor. I have to brush my teeth twice a day. I have to brush my teeth twice a day. I have to go home now. I have to go home now. We have to leave here in 5 minutes. We have to leave here in 5 minutes. We have to find a distributor in Vietnam. We have to find a distributor in Vietnam. We have to pick up our parents at the airport. We have to pick up our parents at the airport. We have to book the tickets early if we want a lower price. We have to book the tickets early if we want a lower price. We have to make a decision now. We have to make a decision now. I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. You have to stop using it. You have to stop using it. You have to do like this. You have to do like this. I have to wash my hair. I have to wash my hair. I have to give my dog a bath. I have to give my dog a bath. I have to fly to Ho Chi Minh City today. I have to fly to Ho Chi Minh City today. I have to talk with you in 20 minutes. I have to talk with you in 20 minutes. He has to attend the meeting. He has to attend the meeting. Peter has to go to the market every week. Peter has to go to the market every week. Jennifer has to teach English this morning. Jennifer has to teach English this morning. She has to travel a lot because of her job. She has to travel a lot because of her job. I had to take the bus because my car broke down. I had to take the bus because my car broke down. Last year, Jennifer didn't have to work on Friday. Last year, Jennifer didn't have to work on Friday. We had to go to school yesterday. We had to go to school yesterday. I had to pick up my brother from school yesterday. I had to pick up my brother from school yesterday. I will have to go to the supermarket tomorrow. I will have to go to the supermarket tomorrow. He will have to get the passport next month. He will have to get a passport next month. He will have to get up early tomorrow. He will have to get up early tomorrow. We'll have to cancel the order. We'll have to cancel the order. We'll have to celebrate our wedding anniversary. We'll have to celebrate our wedding anniversary. They will have to buy some groceries. They will have to buy some groceries. I don't have to go to school today. I don't have to go to school today. You don't have to drink beer. You don't have to drink beer. You don't have to enter to this building. You don't have to enter to this building. You don't have to look nice. You don't have to look nice. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect. She doesn't have to wear a dress. She doesn't have to wear a dress. You don't have to work on Saturday. You don't have to work on Saturday. You don't have to finish all your meals. Don't have to finish all your meals. You don't have to come, but you can if you want. You don't have to come, but you can if you want. They won't have to wait long. They won't have to wait long. Do you have to go home now? Do you have to go home now? Do you have to leave now? Do you have to leave now? Do you often have to travel on business? Do you often have to travel on business? Do I have to wear a hat? Do I have to wear a hat? Do I have to change my shoes? Do I have to change my shoes? Do I have to clean the floor? Do I have to clean the floor? Do we have to work overtime? Do we have to work overtime? Does she have to save money? Does she have to save money? Does he have to make a guest list? Does he have to make a guest list? Will he have to have a car for work? Will he have to have a car for work? Did he have to pay a fine yesterday? Did he have to pay a fine yesterday? When do you have to be back? When do you have to be back? What did you have to do at work? What did you have to do at work? And this is the end of the lesson today. Thank you for your watching. If you like the video, please like and share. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.